Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland with a cup of coffee, going cold fast, and you see before you a 33 1/3 record, old, can't be played anymore. And I'm going to do a puddle pour just to see how these turn out, because I actually want to do one on a bigger canvas, but I want to see how it goes first, and I think a nice puddle pour might make a nice clock. And we'll just, I haven't really done one like this, so it's a bit different for me. So I've got red, orange, yellow, purple, blue, black and white to go on here. So I'm going to be mixing a few of the colours around a bit. Just get these on. It's rather a nice blue, I like that one. And some purple. Pretty already, so I'll put some purple here I think, and on this one, didn't mean that much, a bit of white. And let me see, some yellow. Bit of fun deciding who gets what. And some red on this one I think. Maybe that one. This one, he hasn't got much, so we'll put some blue on him. And maybe some white. And then I would like some black, just, oops, here and there. Right, go and dribble off, that's it. Now using my knife, I'm just going to do this. Bit of a whizzle, squizzle. Maybe some glue on this one. I have silicone, a bit more on there I think, whoops, on in each of the colours, but not the black or the white. Okay, so that'll be enough wheeling. There we go. And we'll see what happens here. Take it around one just to cover the record and see what we have. Okay, so that is very pretty. Bring it down here. And so plenty of colour on. Oh, that is going to be one pretty clock. I'll bring it down just a bit this way. And then back. Okay, so what am I going to do here? Want some colour through that blue patch, I think. If I can bring some of that yellow down. And I did. There we are. How pretty is that? Just wipe my hands off. And then we'll give it a little torch. See how it goes. Where did I put the torch? There it is. Okay. Yes, I really like that. So I'm going to bring you down to take a look at it. And wipe my hands off first, I think. Nice and bright. And so this is what I've been looking at. The recipes and the names of the paints and the pouring medium are underneath this video. Just click on show more. That information will come up. And there's a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell. You'll be notified then as I put up new videos. This is very pretty. It's going to make a lovely clock. And thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Please give this the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.